Yeah, I'm on live. All right. Yeah. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, good evening. All right, good evening. Let me. Can anybody hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, just wave, please. All right. If you can hear me, just wave, please. Just wave. If you can hear me, just wave. All right. Just send me a signal or send me a signal. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Loud and clear. God bless you. All right. I'm bringing in someone on my live, and I'm waiting. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, Dalunu. Uh, Miss Chubik, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you, Ife. Thank you, Rachel. God bless you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you, Princess. Thank you, Ella Oyenechi. Thank you. Thomas Udunayo. God bless you. Stella Zubiki. All I can say is be careful. We hear you well. Thank you very much. God bless you. All right. Thank you. So I'm waiting to bring in someone. We're to bring in someone on the live. Thank you. Yeah. So God bless you, Harrison. Thank you very much, Justina Thomas. God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. I want to bring in Brother Favor on this live, so just to share a little insight of what we are doing. All right. So in case people get confused or they don't know what's going on, but I think legal opinion or legal advice on this matter is very, very necessary, right? Although most of the things cannot be shared on social media, but something you can just give us little, so you can see what we do behind the scene and how we achieve all this too. So, Brother Favor is a lawyer and he's based in Asaba, so I'm trying to bring him online. All right. I don't know, maybe I can just call him directly since he's not coming up. Oh, oh, let me. Oh, yeah, you dey go. You don't online now. Yeah, they trying to take it, and they see you live. Oh yeah, now okay, all right. Like I say, where I go take self, I don't try. On your screen, a request to join me. Request to join me. But I'm trying. I've sent you the request. I'll just accept it. But you can't. But you can't see me. Just request to join me. Okay. Sorry guys, we're waiting for Barrister Favor to come. So if I don't add him up, I can just call him directly on the phone, so we all can hear him. All right. So let's just wait a little while we do that. Thank you very much for joining me live. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much, James Bucci. Thank you, Nana Queen Patience. Thank you, Comfort Jarumi. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jupiter. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. add him up. Let me just call him directly. Yeah, I can't find you. I can't find the boss. Okay. Are you watching the live now? Are you watching me now?
Yes, I'm watching you live. Yes.
Okay. It's coming up now. Just added him now. You know, whatever you do, you need to have a legal, legal, uh, um, background, legal guidance. If not, you make mistakes, And I told you guys from the beginning of this case, I have been somebody who, um, I followed the steps from beginning. When the case was in Aba, that's Umuahia, I was contacted by the family. I didn't just take up the case because the case was not on social media. Right, the case was not on social media. So when they got in contact with me, they told me to post it. I said no, I don't want to post it until I get to hear about this case, know what's on ground before I can be able to make a post. All right. So what I did was to send Marvelous to Omaya anti-kidnapping office for this case. I sent him to Omaya so that he can be able to, get details of this matter. Yes. So and when he got to Omaya, a lot of things was discovered, which I posted this morning. I talked about how the police was saying that it was a self-kidnapping, and and the two victims were trying to extort money from Andrew. That's what they told the people I sent. Marvelous is here on social media with us too. I can bring him to say one or two on this matter. Yeah. So then I went back again and wrote a petition to the AIG Zone 9 Maya for the case to be transferred from the anti-kidnapping unit at the State Police Command to the AIG's office. But unfortunately, we got a call that the case has been transferred to Abuja, that a team from Abuja, they're coming to pick up the case file, and which they did. All right. For almost 4 days, they pick up this case file. We didn't hear from them to know where this case is. The family were worried. The family don't even know where the case is going, and they reach out to me again. I have to start making calls until I discovered that it was the IGP, it was the IROT that took up this case. All right. So ongoing, I wanted to bring in Pastor Favor, but I don't know what's going on. But let me just call him directly so he can just give us one or two advice on this case, because it may happen to somebody again tomorrow, but God forbid. But in case it happens, you should know how to follow up immediately before it gets too late. So hello, Diba. All right, please. I'm not trying. I couldn't add you, so maybe you can just speak directly from the mic, please. Yes. So you are on live with me. They're hearing your voice. Maybe you can just give us one or two on this matter.
Okay. My opinion is as simple as ABC. This issue is a clear-cut issue, and I had expected that ever since the disease, that this serial killer was assassinated or killed, or as case may be, they also have issued a community because it's a public interest.
Yes.
There are a lot of stakes involved. So this is a matter that involves social interest, owing to the nature and peculiarity of the circumstances that led to his killing and that led to the death of those innocent victims.
Yes.
So I expected that the police would have immediately issued a communique to that effect.
Yes.
But they failed to. And now questions on the surrounding issues with respect to his killings are simple. Number one, who are the victims in that vehicle? Because if you look at the vehicle, from what was stated, there was priority shooting when you look at the vehicle. So how come this person is the only victim in that, is the only casualty in that incident?
Yes.
There are no casualty except him. And we're not told if there were other casualties. Then were the police persons, the attackers, were they also killed? Or is just this serial killer? The attackers, were they also gunned down by the police? Or they just saw this person sporadically and ran away without the police being hurt, without anybody in that vehicle being dented by virtue of their fire outbreak?
Yes.
Then another question again is the police persons involved. What happened to them? Did they were they injured? Even if they were not shot, were they injured? How come this person was killed? And who gave them the information? If at all they were attackers, if his death is not staged, how come the attackers got information? You don't know the exact place, because my understanding as a practitioner, as a legal practitioner for years, a serial killer does not have gang members. Serial killers does that solo. Most serial killers perpetrate the crime of serial killing on a solo basis. They don't get people involved.
Yes.
So it's not kidnapping. When we not say the person have his gang members.
Yes.
This is not terrorism. When we say the person have his gang members. So this serial killer, some is your friend they are parading. If it's a serial killer, he does not have gangs. So who are the possible people that were kept on alert? So when he's attacked, only him. No police officer was attacked. The attackers were not attacked. How come he was the only one that was attacked in that vehicle? And if you look at the vehicle, you saw that a lot of places, a different part of that vehicle there was fire outbreak on different parts of that vehicle.
Yes.
You see the police officers were immune from that attack. Something is peaceful. These are issues that calls for worrying, that calls for questioning, that calls for analysis. So I feel it's an issue that should not be laid to swept under the carpet.
Yes.
But we need to probe and set up inquiries as to the gravity and the issue on ground. So that's my opinion. I feel we need to quickly step in and know what is on ground and what's on board to accept this issue.
Okay. All right. So because from the narrative now that they were traveling to Abuja, so on their way that the man's car got spoiled on the way. All right. Then they came down for the man now told them that he can be able to fix the car, that he knows what is wrong with the car because that car belongs to him. You understand? But from the beginning, but I asked a question: why would they even travel with the man's car? Since they have their own vehicle, they have their own bus that they came with for case transfer. Why would they now travel with the man's car? Do you understand? Because they have a vehicle already. Why would they now want to travel long distance with the man's car? You know? Because this man was killed. This man was killed driving his car. Not that he was being somebody was driving. He was driving the car by himself when he was killed.
Now there's another question on ground.
Yes.
The police for some time now, they have a practice direction. And when you're picking somebody from a very, very far distance, you use flights.
Yes.
So how come they didn't use flights to pick him up? This is something only two persons can put him on handcuffs, and they put him on flights. The police arrest offenders and transfer them to headquarters through aircraft. So what was new? Because if you're looking at the peculiarity of this case on ground, the police ought to have used the aircraft means to convey the suspects, not flying through the road.
Yes.
So something is fishy. Yeah, something is fishy. In my own opinion, I feel his death should be probed. And if you probe his death, you will discover that a lot of things were swept under the carpet.
So meaning that we need to file. We need to file something, right?
Yes, we need to write a petition.
Okay.
Write a petition. That's number one. Then we need to do what we call we'll file an action that they should produce him dead or alive. I think it's Hamas office.
Yes.
Then we write a petition. Then we also do we can also do trying to get it check. But in the long run, we can still do media analysis.
Okay.
We'll call the media, yes. We'll call the media to do public analysis of this issue.
Okay.
Yes, we can do media analysis, engage the public, to know public opinion, do a petition to follow up, and file an action.
Okay.
Yes, file an action. If the petition doesn't fly the way we want, we'll file an action. Compelling them to answer certain questions. Okay. Yes. Any of these can we go.
Okay. That's fine. Yes. Yeah. So I need to just get this thing from you and also talk to people too about this issue. You know, yes. But because from at the beginning we were just after trying to discover the whereabouts of these two girls. So we were just that's what we were after, you understand? Then at a point I got information that the man has been killed. So and which I verified, you know, unfortunately they could not, you know, inform the public about it. So I think it's not right for me to keep silent about it when I hear such information. So I have to pass it out to the public that this man has been killed. Then a lot of people were now asking me, where is this man's dead body? Where is dead body? If he has been killed, where is he? Who saw when they shot him? So I have to took the risk and travel to Benue State and, you know, get to make a video of his dead body. I'm not just making the video. I have to call on conference call with the victims who know this man very, very well. Also, the victim's sister who saw this man at the police station on video call and showed them, and they confirmed that true, this is the man. And from what I saw there, and with people who went with me, they said, yeah, true, this man is Andrew, you know, that was killed. So, but now we are confused now from police narrative that he was trying to escape. So these are the things. That's why I said, let me bring you up here. And from what I've narrated so far now, I feel we still have a direction to use on this matter now. Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, there is merit. We need to probe. Then we can still do press conference.
Okay.
We can do an official press conference.
Okay. Okay.
Outline all these issues. Then get a lot of persons to even sign this petition.
Okay.
We can get a lot of persons.
Okay.
I can write officially as a lawyer.
Okay.
Then let's have multiple petitions.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let's have multiple petitions. We'll get a lot of people to sign.
Thank you, sir.
Petition. We'll have a different one from a legal practitioner, which is myself.
Okay.
Then we'll also write another one on concerned citizens. Then get multiple people to come and sign.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Even if we have up to 100 signatories.
Okay.
Don't mind.
Thank you so much, sir. All right, that's fine, sir. Yes. All right, thank you so much for joining us this evening. God bless you so much, Pastor Favor Adwebo.
Thank you.
All right, sir. All right, guys. So that's the voice of Pastor Favor Adwebo. Who did I add? So I don't know. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Sorry, we can't hear you well.
Okay, can you hear me now?
No, I can't.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay, I'm on live video now. Let me just round up and then call you back. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for joining me live and Sabah, Delta State. Uh, uh, Delta State. He has told us a lot on how we can approach this issue, and not just we coming on live here because me coming live here is for you to maybe to see that this is me Harrison who is behind this page for long. I'm not come online to talk about the cases I handle, you know, but on the ground we have to see how to handle it. All right, on this case, I didn't just step into this case. The family involved me fully, and they have not disengaged me. They involved me to assist them in making sure uh, we unravel the whereabouts of Celine and Afiba. I'm not a police officer, please. I'm not a police officer, and I'm not a private investigator. All right. People call me an activist. I only went with travel down to see things for myself, and I have the right as a Nigerian citizen to also look into issues and also report accordingly. So the cases what I have discovered so far in this matter is that there are a lot of irregularities from the police, from whatsoever that has happened, and it is important that we look into it very, very deeply to know the whereabouts of uh, these two girls. Again, I want to state here that um, I don't abuse or shame victims who are involved in whatsoever. You understand? At this point, it's not for us to now shame victims and start calling them names. I saw someone in the comment section calling one of the victims, "Why are you involved in this case?" Because they don't take like NIPA. All right. So why are they involved? No, don't worry. Leave it. I'll soon finish up. Now just leave it. Once I'm done, now we'll go. Oh, is it? Did you bring it outside? Okay, go and put it on now. All right, so NEPA don't take like that's country we are. All right. So I don't shame victims. That's one thing I don't do, shame victims. But it is important that we all continue to seek for justice to know the whereabouts of this of Celine and Afiba. All right. And again, it's now we are now stepping backward because we can't find them currently because the man who is supposed to tell us the whereabouts of Celine has been killed, and we don't know what happened to him, how he died. But the police told me, I still have it, here. And not just only me, I have witnesses who were with me. They said that he was trying to escape and they killed him, you know, and he took his car and ran away, and they tried to chase him, but they could not, and that was what transpired. And before the vigilante or whoever blocked the road and shot at him, and killed him, you know. But from what I saw from the car, the vehicle you see, and the one that I posted yesterday, you see that the vehicle, both from the back, the front, everywhere was damaged. Everywhere was damaged. Nigeria NEPA, thank you, brother. You see, that's life. That's what we've experienced here in Asaba. Asaba generally no light. Some places have light, but this place we don't have that full light. All right. So please, everyone, we are still looking out for Celine and Afiba. All right. We are still looking out for Celine and Afiba. In case you get to see Celine or you hear anything about um Selena and Afiba, just try and please reach out to us for us to now, reach out to the authorities. So when you reach out to us, we will always reach out to the authorities and inform them of what's going on. So please always reach out to us so that we can always reach out to the authorities. So if you get information you have, please do not be scared to reach out to me or reach out to uh, any of my associates that and please, we are going to take it up immediately and respond, immediately. God bless you guys for joining me live this evening. I need to be on live at on Lasgidi FM, that's Lagos. I'll be live on Lasgidi FM Lagos, so I'll be out of here and okay. I want to bring in someone wants to join us. Okay. Okay, I have a meeting with all right, I'm bringing Obata Williams to join us just for 2-3 minutes so I can join Glasgidi FM Lagos State uh on air. Yeah, let me just connect to them and they should give me a few minutes to round up my live session with you guys. Obata Williams, try to request. I have tried to add you up. I'm not seeing you here.
Andrew na victim. All of that one we're going to know how they take the go. But like I talk, the Abia State governor ain't supposed to not intervene for this matter. Well, how far that one go? We can hear from Harrison. In your telephone right about now. Welcome to the program, Harrison. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Thank you, say you join us. I know say it don't be tough time for you since this journey where you done the waka since Monday this week back to back. Thank you for all of the information and the work of humanity where you do for the Nigerian people.
Thank you so much, ma.
All right. We will take you back again to the very beginning of this incident. What do you feel? Tell us in 3 seconds also how this girl take place, how take waka the waka up until now, information of the way you know about where you go fish share with us.
Okay, what thing happen? They say, you know, two girls travel. Say they want go meet one man with them meet where they know online. Say na preaching make I go where I go speak a bit.
Yeah.
So then travel go Aba. Then from Port Harcourt travel go Aba go see one man where they name Andrew Ochekwa for Aba. And one of these girls, her name na Afiba. What the other one na Celine. So Afiba na Ghanaian citizen, will be married woman, and na Celine friend. So when she enter Nigeria, she met with Celine, and then say me then go see Andrew for Aba, just for a visit. So when they reach that place, Celine see Afiba, that's Celine send message to their friend, will be blessing. Say see where we do, you know. So next day will be on the 26th of April. Then this will happen. Then on 27th of April, they see send message again, give their friend, say we have been kidnapped. That was what they sent to their friend. And since that time till now, nobody don't hear about know where Celine and Afiba dey till now.
So the last communication where they get with their friend, they say
we have been kidnapped.
They have been kidnapped.
Yes.
Nothing more from there.
Yes.
Okay, so that we don't go through talk long on top of this matter, what people don't already know, say you don't already find out some kind of things, like the day where you go for the streets, the Stallion Road streets for inside Abadia to discover waiting, you fit find, you see some decomposed,
Yes.
you see decomposed body where they dismember. You also let us know yesterday, say Andrew really don't die. Let's
Yes.
talk about him. During by the time where Andrew did for custody, the
Yes.
Abia State Police Command, how they take handle this matter?
True, they don't handle them well, oh. Me na police, I dey criticize police when they do good, when they do bad, I dey praise them when they do good. Yes, I will clap hand for them. But on this case, they not try at all, because they get evidence for their hand, they can't allow that evidence can't go. You know, people can't complain, give them say the person they miss, see who carry them. They not take action the first time. They can't wait, be them mobilize them with money before they can take action. When they reach the place, they say the man they armed, the man get gone, the man they threatened to even kill the officers. That alone don't show say this man not be better person. until he took the intervention of one, I don't know the person who called that, made that call. One top police officer will follow Andrew talk for phone. Now in open door, in now made them fit entire house. They come, carry and invite and come station. So when they invite and come station now, they need to go back to the house. The man denied say he not see where he not know where they dey. That true they come in house, but they don't go. They call us okay fine. If they don't go, they call it come go back to the house. Go make them just go search. They can't see. So when they search, they can't see one of the girl back there for the house. Her ATM they inside the bag. They can't say okay fine. When you don't say this girl forget your bag for your house, why you not call them? Because of it, yes. Because person will forget him bag ATM must eventually try to come back to either take him. The man not give genuine response for that. So this man, what I tell you, so this man come to the station like person will say we go visit person for station. They know who I'm like saying a suspect. They know like say they even see gun for your hand because the kind gun way carry, not be gun way any kind of person they hold. He gets license, but they know they give license again for that kind of gun now. They don't stop them since 2016. Government don't stop to give. Yes, not be that kind of gun where person supposed to get license to get. But say as our country be mago there everywhere, they fit give a license to carry that kind of gun. So then the family call as they say that they track the number. They say number there, they see the number, track it there with it, this and that. Police could even tell the family say, nah lie, say these girls they kidnap themselves, now self-kidnapping, and then do. Say that maybe they try to extort money from the man. The family say no, extort waiting. Our people not be my daughter, our sister not be like that too. So they can't go back, can't go their house for Port Harcourt where selling they stay. As they search the house now, they can't see selling tablets. They can't open them. They can't see email alert. See say on the 27th of April, 1 million naira come out for selling account. How you take come out? That time you dey for the man house. The money come out, so the money come out, so come out, go the man account. And again, that same account where you go, now the same account where you get 100,000 naira credit alert, where they take pay transport from Port Harcourt to Aba. So it shows the true. This thing, police people don't get this information. They don't get this information. They're supposed to keep this man where ask some question, interrogate him. But as I talked to you that time, this man is still using phone because as I get the number, I call him, the number they ring. The man they active for WhatsApp. So as they can't involve me, I can't post the girl and picture, both the man picture online. Say these people they me. So yes. Anywhere where you see this girl, make you try alert us. The man quickly block me for Facebook. He blocked me. Come go put in Facebook for private. So nobody go fit take collect content of in day in page. Now what did the man do with that? So meaning say then give the man access VIP treatment for case way big reach like this.
Okay. Let me just enter the matter sharp. When in die, say if they try to escape from police by the time where the intelligence response team comes from Abuja to intervene for this matter.
Yes.
How the escaping be? How did you say if not there for the same motto where police they take shoot up as they try to escape? I mean, get something where they miss where you feel let us know.
Me not there, but say when two people don't give you story on your own, you go feel understand say see what team play, see what team not play. So because of for FIB IROT for Abuja, see get mine come Umuahia carry the case file, then get petition where they write, we make them leave that place come Umuahia. Yes, Umuahia come carry the case file. So selling friend where they call Blessing and the family arranged, made a right petition for Abuja, which the IG approved for investigation. Then later, them constantly go meet Ghanaian embassy because of their sister, the other sister, Celine. So Ghanaian embassy constantly reach out to IG office so that the thing go feel quick. So that was why this case was handed over to IROT office to handle. And we all know say IROT office, they work now, intelligence-based work, that they do. So they can't leave Abuja, come Umuahia, come pick up the case file. From waiting I hear, when they reach Umuahia, they not allow them to carry the case file. They say the CP of Abia State not allow them to carry this case file. So the Oga Pata for Abuja had to call the CP to release the case file, give them. Because complaint we received say the Abia State anti-kidnapping not do the case well. So this case need to leave their office. So that's why they take the case file from Umuahia on the 23rd of May. They can't carry case file. So they can't tell me say they don't carry this case file come on from Umuahia. They go Abuja. I can't say okay, so I go follow up to go Abuja to find out what's happened. On the 26th of May, being Sunday, I did hear some rumors from my I guess some source where they tell me say that man they carry from Umuahia, say the man don't die. As I hear that, I shock. Person tell me say the even Ghanaian embassy they said don't even call the family, say they don't say as they carry the man they come Abuja, say then the man won't run, they can't kill him for road. I say me no go fit talk am now because I already update for social media say these people they miss, so this case they hear. But I say no, I no go talk about them until I go here with my ear.
See with your eye.
Yes, make the IPO. Make them tell me say see what happen. Say you don't kill him. I can't say okay. So at that point, one victim don't call me say see what happened to me in January this year. Where him from Lagos go see Andrew for Lagos. Andrew hold hostage for a house for Abba. He can't rape him both from the back and the front. Where he do and finish, then he can log into in Instagram where they chat with him, delete all the messages we get for the phone, you know. So on the 6th day where he escaped, say if the man they one lock door, he go always collect key. But that night the man not lock the door. So as the man don't sleep, she they see her phone. She can't say no. I make her leave my phone. Make her first run come on for here. Now she come quickly. The rope, wait till it take time. Now this guy get rubber handcuff that they use. She said she managed to cut and come out. Now she opened the door. Turn run, come out for outside. As she reach gate, turn back. Now the man now he see. Now he face fence. Can't jump through fence. If you see her leg for the video I post, you go see the injuries for her leg because of that bad boy we cut her leg. Yes. So she said,
governor now because if I say the Abia State command, then they're silent about this one. Even the state governor, Alex Oti, when they expect say as this case big like this, ain't supposed to don't pull it with.
As I talk to you now, so nobody don't talk anything. Not even let me know talk about the government now. Make no bless now because of politics or what. Me a Labour Party member, the government and Labour Party people. But I did disappointed say after all the noise where we make, social media awareness we create. The government not will take any action because as I say them put body for the matter. I believe say this case will not go the way they go like this. Then all of them just keep quiet. Even the police authority never even tell us say see what happen or see what play. They never tell us. So as I go Abuja, they can't tell me say don't die. I can't post and say they don't kill that man. That man don't die. You. They tell me say as they escape, then kill him. Now what I post with that. So when I post them, I can't get information from Abba say they see some dead body for somewhere. I can't say okay because people they fear to report to police because that time when this happened, so some people keep soldiers for Abba. So people they fear to tell police things when they see. So I can't say anybody will get information. Tell me, I beg your identity go they hidden for life. Then come and say see you, then see dead body, two dead body for somewhere. I can't quickly travel, can't go Abba. Inform the police, say when they investigate the case, say, see what I see, see what I hear. That's okay, say I go come. They follow me, we go there. I make video of him. we see one dead body, but we not see one. Only one we see. We not see the other one. The other one now we still they find too. We evacuate and can't go teaching hospital for Aba, where he dey now. But we don't know whether now one of them who we don't know. So the family now go work on them with the government to see how they go fit identify them. To know that now this person or now this person. So why would they do this one now? I can't say no. People come, they call me, messages, comment, say, this man where they thought they don't die, where you post, where the man body. He come like say me, he come like say me they lie. I can't say no. Say me, like say me, make me go see with my koro eye. That make me come travel from my back and go Benue yesterday. As I reach Benue,
You actually send us that we let our people know stay truly.
yes.
Really don't die.
So
Like maybe go deeper into
as
we get just 1 minute to wrap up.
I go just try to hurry up the time. So you know, so they're not supposed to give me access to see dead body because I'm a private citizen.
Right.
But them too, then they still say the thing don't big past them. Because people can accuse and say they collect money, release the man don't go. Person come and say see the man for US. Person say see the man for say see the man for Kwale for Delta State. I say make I go see with my eye. Although I saw for video and pictures, but I never see with my koro eye. Yesterday I enter mortuary and I put video call across to people who know I'm victims who know I'm. They say yes, now I'm this man. I mean to I see him too, not only me see him. People who follow me see him to they say no. Now this man now be this. I can't still update the public.
Thank you so much. Because of time, if we just run out for here, we will definitely keep up with you, keep up with you to know how far the development of find whether Celine and Afiba still they alive or not. Thank you so much for the work we did do, Harrison.
Thank you so much, ma.
Work of humanity.
All right, thank you so much, ma.
All right, my people.
All right, so that's last Giddy FM, Lagos State. That brief interview. Is it brief? Yeah, it's brief interview. All right. So thank you guys for joining me. I cannot bring. I don't think I'm not seeing Obata Williams anymore. So I will have to just run. God bless you guys for joining me this evening, and may God bless you. Oshé.